5 o'clock thing? I think this is an excellent idea, and there's a witness to it, and they hold us to it. Huh, Yo-Yo?
Yeah.
You have to.
Are you agreeing
You're
to the
as
5
bad as
o'clock?
your son, you know that? Because I'll be talking to him like this and he won't respond. And I'm like,
I'm thinking.
do you hear me?
I am thinking deeply. I am.
Yeah, I want you to agree to that while they're here.
Oh, you mean you want to force me to agree to something that I'm not sure about?
Yeah.
That's called marriage.
They
Yes.
agree. They think it's a good idea.
You think it's a good idea? Are you filming?
I am.
Oh, well, good.
I want to get this on film
Yeah? What for?
because it's too cute.
It's evidence.
It's
Yeah,
evident.
Evidence that you're
And
going to
the
put
deal-
on Facebook if
And
I
the
don't
deal
do it?
is that we're going to stop at 5 o'clock, which is 1700 Europe time and U.S. Navy time, and we're not going to be on either one of us on our computers after 1700 each evening.
Okay, but
But
after dinner, I take my tea, and time for my tea to be taken, I normally check out.
Okay, so here's what I suggest,
Okay.
and
You
you
didn't
tell
let her
me.
finish.
No, that's good. He's going to suggest according to what I say. I feel it.
Right. Here's what I suggest.
Turn it
I
on to yourself.
suggest that. Okay, can I do that in midstream? Oh no, I just took a picture. Okay, that's not at all what I wanted to do. Here's what I suggest. After 5 o'clock, okay, so you go and do. Hello. You go and make dinner. After dinner, you can go back to the computer for 30 minutes, exactly 30 minutes.
That's what I do. I don't do more.
30 minutes by butt. 30 minutes by butt. Jory, after dinner, here's the deal, guys. Here's the dinner, guys. When she goes down after dinner, it takes me approximately a half an hour to get the kitchen cleaned up, to clean the cat's poo out of her bin, to go out and empty the garbage and do all that stuff. Takes me about a half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour. When I come downstairs, she's on her computer, and she stays on her computer for an hour before I can get her away from it to be able to
It's a
massage her
lie.
hands and all that.
It's a lie.
So the half an hour thing is a bunch of bull.
Bull, you're on camera and you're saying bull?
Bull.
That's right.
Bull frucky. Booze.
Okay,
Booze,
Okay, so
Booze de Toro.
boost the toro.
here's the perfect deal. You stay on the computer for as long as it takes them to clean the kitchen.
And the cat food.
And
When
the
I
cat
come
food.
down,
Okay,
the cat
and
food.
so that's not good because, normally I'm such a good wife that I clean as I cook. I leave a kitchen that is immaculate.
It still takes me 20 minutes to half an hour to do all
So
that
what I'm
stuff.
going to do now to have a little more time, I'm not going to clean as I cook. And so this way he has more work.
No problem.
That's
But
fine.
The deal is, I go along with that. As soon as the deal when I walk into the bedroom downstairs, she's got to stop.
Is that a deal?
Okay.
That's
You're
it.
so cute.
She is a cutie. But
Because I think we have a deal.
okay, we got it.
Shake on it.
It typically.
Shake on it. No, not with me.
It typically
Hey, be
takes me
careful.
20 minutes to half an hour to get the kitchen cleaned up. When I come down, you go downstairs, you work on your computer. The minute I come back into the
But you
room,
do my tea. You do my tea.
I do your tea, I do your stuff, all your fruit, and I do all that stuff. As soon as I'm done,
What
that's
does he do
part of
with
my
your
night.
fruit?
As soon as
Every
I
night.
do that, you got to come off of the computer.
Please burp. Every night he's preparing some grapefruit fruits in a little glass for me.
That's
You
sweet.
eat that at night?
I always eat grapefruit slices.
All right, so it's a deal.
We got the deal.
We got the deal.
Yes, okay. You win.
Okay.